Unlock the meaning of mindful of in English. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, mindful of. If you've ever wondered what it means to be mindful of something, you're in the right place. By understanding this phrase, you'll not only polish your English language skills but also embrace a key to thoughtful communication. So let's get started on this journey of discovery together. The phrase, mindful of, is used to express that someone is aware of something and is giving it careful attention. Being mindful involves being present and considerate of certain facts, circumstances, or the feelings of others. It's like having a little voice in your head that reminds you to think about what's happening around you and how your actions might affect it. Let's break it down with some examples. Please be mindful of the noise level while the baby is sleeping. This means you should be aware of how much noise you're making to avoid waking the baby. She was mindful of her teacher's advice when writing her essay. Here, it shows that she considered and remembered her teacher's advice carefully while working. Understanding and using the phrase, mindful of, is not just about vocabulary. It's a powerful tool for interpersonal relationships. When you're mindful of other people's feelings and circumstances, you demonstrate empathy and respect, two essential qualities in both personal and professional life. Being mindful of deadlines, for instance, shows responsibility, while being mindful of cultural differences shows sensitivity and intelligence. It's these subtle nuances that can make a big difference in communication. Now, let's look at how to incorporate mindful of in daily conversation or writing. When giving advice, be mindful of the fact that not everyone may agree with your opinion. In a work email, we need to be mindful of the budget constraints while planning the event. Reflecting on personal behavior, I try to be mindful of my health by eating well and exercising regularly. By using these examples, you can start to include mindful of in various contexts to enrich your English conversations. And there you have it. You now know how to use and understand the phrase, mindful of. Remember, being mindful is all about presence of mind and consideration for various aspects of life and interaction. I hope this video helps you to be more mindful in your English usage and daily life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.